guys, welcome back in another video. It's a Sunday. It's a foggy day. It's gonna be a cloudy day. It's a little bit of rain now. So I'm gonna use this day to bake something. Yep, let's go. Nekdo prihaja. Where you been, girl? Hello. Oh damn, it's cold outside. This is so much better, warm and cozy here. Yesterday I got a package at my doors. There was a lot of stuff in the bag. I have no idea who brought me this, but this was in the bag too. This is a flour that I'm gonna make a pizza today. Yeah, it's a white one. Okay, let's do this. First, the flour. I'm gonna make a hole in the middle. Now I put some hot milk mixed with some hot water. Put some sugar, and I used baking powder. And now just wait. Can you see what he's doing? Look at this. I'm gonna show you closer. Whoop! Look, it's going up. Now I'm gonna mix this and use a little bit of salt. Anyway, what? Something is moving. Oh, it's this. I was scared. Dun, 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 boom. And this is the messy part. Now I think that it's enough. I just put a little bit of flour here. Bam! Oops. And just put it into the fridge for a few hours. And then make me a lunch! Make me a pizza! I have to clean all this mess. Oh boy, this is so tough to clean. And in the meanwhile, I'm gonna make some baking dough for the biscuits. Dough, I never used this word before. But first I have to Google it for some recipes. Biscuit for the beginners. That's me. I just realized that I don't have any eggs that I needed to make some cookies. But I think I'm gonna find some recipe that I don't need an eggs. I didn't prepare for this. But I'm gonna use what I've got at home. And you need a butter for everything. But I think I can replace this with an oil. I need the flour. I got the flour, sugar, vanilla, I need some baking powder, I need some sugar, and I need some milk. I've got the milk. And what do I need? Oh, I need oil. I need oil because I don't have a butter at home. And I think that's it. Let's see how this goes. Oh boy, it's so hot here. Whoops. My spoon just drops. Oh. I think I'm gonna improvise with this recipe. I'm gonna put some Nutella. It smells like Nutella. Okay, it's next step. And now that I'm done, I need to put this for 30 minutes outside on a cold. Oh! And I'm hoping that nobody's going to eat this. Like some animals like this one. One more. Wait here and don't be eaten by some animals. Meanwhile, I'm waiting that cookies get cold outside. I have to turn on my new oven into 160 degrees. Okay, that's it. It's half an hour. Let's see what happened. Now I just need to wait 10 minutes. Nope, not yet. I'm gonna take this one out. What? Let's see if this tastes any good. It's not that bad. If you're hungry, it's good. It is eatable. Oh, and now it's time for pizza. I'm gonna make pizza on this plate. And I have to heat this plate for about half an hour. The maximum that my oven can get. And let's go! Just a little bit of oil. Other days I'm gonna put into the freezer the pizza dough. So funny, I never used this word, so I'm gonna learn some new word. Pizza dough. Like this. Into the freezer. Here, like this. Okay, let's finally make this pizza. I'm hungry. This. Oregano, the most important thing for pizza. Lots of corn. A little bit of vegetable. Oh, corn is a vegetable too. And of course, cheese. Oh, no way! My pizza! Oh my gosh, what I've done. It's okay. It's okay. Oh! Whoa. This oven smells so weird. Maybe because I'm using it at the first time. But it's really weird. I have to open the windows. This looks so delicious. How nice plate I got for the pizza. I'm only using this for the pizza. Oh my, oh, it's enough. Oi, 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 oi. Ah, that was too much. Ouch. Oh boy, that was hot. The paper burns so much. Woo! Yummy! I think that's gotta be so delicious. Let's dig into this. I think I should take this pizza out just 1 minute faster. It's good anyway, because when you're hungry, everything is good. There is a rain outside, but I'm going out anyway, because it's boring being inside all the time. And it's Sunday and I got a lot of time today. I want to be with my dog a little bit. So I'm going on a rain. Yep. Let's go! Oh, someone is waiting. Shall we go? Yes, we're going. I need this, I think. No, please! I forgot the hat. at this trash I'm gonna finish my vlog today. I'm going around a little bit on the rain. Yep, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!